If your Sierra's air conditioning fan has completely stopped or only works on high, we are going to fix it right now. Statistically, over 85% of blower motor failures on this GMC generation are caused by a melted resistor or harness. Before you start buying parts, let's walk through the diagnostic process to find the exact point of failure. Start with the simple stuff. Check fuse 44 under the hood and try tapping the motor to see if it kicks on. If your fan only works on the highest setting, that is a classic sign your resistor has failed. However, if you hear a loud chirping or squealing before it dies, the motor itself is likely seized. Sometimes cleaning a corroded connector works, but usually, you will need to replace the resistor and its harness. Doing this yourself costs under $100, while a shop might charge you over $200 for labor alone. To replace it, drop the hush panel under the glove box, and you will have direct access to the components. You only need basic hand tools like a 7mm socket and a good flashlight for this job. Pro tip: never install a new resistor into a melted plug, or you will be doing this repair again next month. With the new parts installed, your AC should be blowing strong again. Thanks for watching and stay cool.